Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Anna Yusuf.
And I am Fatma Liaquat.
We study in class 8. Our school's name is HGS.
Today, the topic of our conversation is She is a Whistleblower. So let's get started. Aina, I cannot believe it. Dua goes around with Arisha.
Why is that? What's wrong with Arisha?
She is a whistleblower and she raids on others in her department.
Then we have what to do as soon as possible. She last slips up.
Yeah, the sooner the better.
Actually, I am afraid Dua is the villain of the piece, but not the other way around. Obviously, she is covering up by spreading rumors about Arisha.
You don't see? Now take a closer look on the vocabulary view. The first word is lest. It means for fear that. And the other word is slip up. It means make a careless error.
Other word is go around with, to go places and do things with a particular person. And the last word is rat on, to inform on someone. Thanks.